This is a 4-minute clip, but it's a must-watch. New York, supervised visits for why? Guy's making $500,000 a month. The wife has negative $2 in the bank. Supervised visit. Judge, friends with the law firm donates money. See what you think.
Favoritism and misconduct in a high-stakes divorce and custody case.
Investigative reporter Sarah Wallace has details from New City.
Divorce cases are notoriously messy, but we've learned that one here in Rockland County is now being scrutinized by the State Commission on Judicial Conduct. That is the independent agency that reviews complaints about judges.
Thomas Fogarty repeatedly declined to talk to the I-Team at Rockland County Family Court about his contentious divorce and custody case involving his wife, Sai Malena Jimenez Fogarty.
I've never been allowed to present my side.
Jimenez Fogarty claims in multiple court filings that she has been denied access to the couple's marital assets from their multi-million-dollar concrete company, even to the couple's home. Her belongings, she alleges, thrown in a dumpster. But the most painful part, she says, the court is limiting her to supervised visits with her 2 young children, 14 hours a week. It's been that way for 2.5 years.
In 2024, she wants power so she could see mom more and live with mom.
Her apartment full of loving drawings and positive messages. Fogarty, an Irish immigrant who got his green card after he married his wife, filed for divorce after hiring one of the most powerful law firms in the region, Miller Zeiderman. We have followed this case for months.
I've never been found guilty of absolutely anything, and yet I still have supervised visits.
Jimenez Fogarty has filed formal complaints accusing Rockland Supreme Court Justice Sherri Eisenpress of improperly colluding with members of Miller Zeiderman. Partner Lisa Zeiderman hosted a political campaign fundraiser for the judge while she was presiding over the case. And then there are donations from the law firm, one for $2,500 the day before Eisenpress issued an order giving Fogarty temporary sole custody.
This is a billion-dollar industry where the money spouse is able to basically buy custody of children. And it's completely unethical, and who suffers the most are the children. There's absolutely no reason why I shouldn't have access to my children.
And there's more. Eisenpress's former law clerk, Siobhan O'Grady, here with a judge vacationing in the Dominican Republic, is now a partner with Miller Zeiderman. The current lead counsel for Fogarty, Ashley Kirsching, is also seen in multiple social media photos with Eisenpress. She declined to comment after a recent court appearance.
Could you just tell me what your relationship is with Judge
I don't have any comment.
The day after that fundraiser for Eisenpress in May of 2022, the judge recused herself from the case, but the legal battle continues. Jimenez Fogarty's attorney.
She should not be subjected to supervised visits. There's nothing on the record to say that she has been a danger to her children in any way, shape, or form. So that custody order, that temporary custody order, should have been vacated.
Court filings show Fogarty listed his income at $500,000 a month. At one point, her bank balance negative $2.17.
I had zero income for 10 months, yet I was still expected to pay for 50% of the supervisor fee so I could see my children. I had to max out all of my credit cards. I had to ask friends to borrow money, which I'd never done in the past. I even had to go to the church pantry in order to get food.
Now Jimenez Fogarty says she has been told the Commission on Judicial Conduct is investigating her case.
It gave me hope. I am hoping that they will remove her from the bench.
We made several attempts to reach out to Judge Eisenpress and Miller Zeiderman, but were unsuccessful.
There you have it. It's not just in Massachusetts, it's in New York, it's all over the country. The woman for 2.5 years had supervised visits. She doesn't have an income, but she has to pay for them. Oh, here we go, supervised visits. The judge recused herself, and there's an entanglement between the courts and the law firm. You can see it right there. They just exposed it. So what are we going to do? Okay, we need court reform. We have to move on this.